Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. So guys, how are you? Am I audible and visible to you? Please confirm once. Hello everyone. Hi, good morning Itanagar. How are you? Good. Shillong, guys, can you hear me? I'm too good, dear. Totally good. Please share your attendance once. And Shillong, please confirm whether am I audible to you or not, and your attendance as well. So guys, have you, okay, good. So guys, have you attempted all those questions? Have you practiced those redox reactions? Okay. Shillong, am I audible to you clearly? Okay, not finished yet. Okay, so today we have to discuss the doubts. Okay, that's good. Shillong, is there total 8 students or 8 students in one room? Okay. So guys, let's start with your doubts. Okay. Okay, in one room there's some confusion. One room has got 8 students. What about other room in the Shillong center? And by the way, how are you guys, Shillong? Okay, this is the question. Okay, fine. So first of all, guys, tell me the questions which is your doubt in the redox reactions. I guess so. You have solved the sheet. Question number 65. Okay. One second. Okay. One second. Guys, let's do one thing. First of all, tell me, in first 20 questions, what is your doubt? In first 20 questions, Those students who got doubts in first 20 questions, please share the question number in the first 20 questions. Then we'll move on to 65, 97, 13 and 14. Anyone else? Okay, so let's start with the question number 13 and 14. Oxidation number of carbon in HNC. So guys, first of all, let's draw its structure. Question number 13. See, this is your HNC. If you look at the structure, it will look like this. Okay. So guys, you have to just use the concept of electronegativity and check that how much charge can be developed on every atom. If we check at the hydrogen, definitely it is the least electronegative, so it will develop a positive charge. Okay. Whereas due to this negative, one positive will be created. Sorry. Due to this positive, one negative will be created over the nitrogen. Okay. If we talk about the carbon and nitrogen, obviously your nitrogen is much more electronegative as we compared to the carbon. Okay. So guys, first of all, if we solve this, see, if we solve this, if I look at the structure only by this manner, you will find out that there is -3 on the nitrogen and +3 on the carbon. Okay. But guys, please confirm me once that how CN looks like. Is all the 3 bonds are equally shared, or is there any dative bond as well? Can please anyone confirm me in case of CN, is all the bonds are equally shared, or is there any dative bond as well? Can anyone please confirm it? Hey guys, do you know the structure of CN? Okay, it's okay. Guys, you can remember, actually the structure of CN is this one. Okay, there is one dative bond. It means that one electron is given to the carbon, due to which it will develop the positive charge. Now, as we know, the nitrogen is much more electronegative as we compare to the carbon. Therefore, due to these 2 shared bonds, nitrogen will develop the -2 and carbon will develop the +2 over there. Okay. So this is the actual structure of the CN. Now, you can check out that what should be the right option in this one by using this concept. Check out and please confirm that what should be the right option. What should be the right option in this one? Okay, we have got one option. Itanagar has answered. Shillong, can you please confirm now what will be the answer? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? If I say this one, think about it. If I say this one, guys, first of all, we are dealing with the first 20 questions. If I say this one, what would you say? See, I have drawn the structure of CN only. Here, HCN. Guys, think about it. Between nitrogen and carbon, there are 3 bonds. Okay? There are 3 bonds in which only 2 are equally shared. Only 2 are what? Equally shared. Okay? And the plus charge will develop on the carbon due to that equally shared bonds only, not by the dative bond. Okay? Dative bond will totally shift the number of electrons over there. That's why the carbon will develop the plus 2 charge, not the plus 3. Okay? So this is the question number 13. Now, the question number 14. Oxidation number of Fe in FeO. This is your Fe 0.94O. Guys, we have deal with the questions where the number of atoms could be 3, 4, 5 and so on. Guys, here the atoms of Fe are 0.94. Okay? So we can say that we have to calculate the oxidation number of the Fe. We will multiply it with the number of atoms, which is 0.94 given to us, and oxidation number of oxygen is 0. Okay? So this one will be 0.94x. This one will be 0.94x will be equals to 2. On solving it, x will comes out to be 200 by 94. Okay? Which is option number 2. Copy please. Who has got confusion in this one? Then, is there any doubt in first 20 questions? Any other doubt in first 20 questions? Number 10. Which of the following shows the highest oxidation state? Guys, you have to remember this one. This is the D block elements. Ruthenium and the osmium both can exist in +8 oxidation state. For the question number 10. Guys, have you copied this? Number 13 and 14. Have you copied this? Okay, now question number 10. Guys, you have to simply remember that ruthenium and osmium both can exist in +8 oxidation state. You have to remember this one. Number 8. Oxidation state of platinum in this compound. Guys, these are the coordination compounds. Questions are given to you in the, of coordination compounds as well here. But there is a problem that we don't know the oxidation states of the ligands. So guys, you have to just remember, and you have to wait for the time when we will deal about when we will discuss the coordination compounds. Okay. But till then, I'll discuss the solutions with you. This is platinum, C2H4, Cl3. minus. Guys, take platinum as X. C2H4 has a 0 oxidation state. Cl has got -1. So -1 into 3. Whole has a negative charge. So put -1. X will be equals to -1 plus 3 is equals to 2. Okay. So answer should be option number 2. Please copy. Any other doubt in first 20 questions? And guys, please make sure if after the explanation if you think that it is not much clear to you, you can ask that question again. Okay, sir, that it is not clear to me. Okay. Any other question in first 20? Any doubt in first 20 questions? If not, then you can move on to 21 to 40. Doubts from question number 21 to 40. Hi, good morning, Tamelong. Guys, question number 21 to 40. Is there any doubt from question number 21 to 40? Please, can I have one person on the system so he or she can reply me quickly? Okay. 21. In the question number 21, we have given the compound Y, Ba2, Cu3O7. Oxidation state of Y is given to us +3. Barium is +2 into 2. Copper we have to calculate. It one will be plus 3x plus -2 into 7. Oxidation number of the copper. You can simply solve it. 3 plus 4 plus 3x minus 14. Minus 14 would be equals to 0. So 3x would be equals to 7. X should be 7 by 3. 21, then 28. First of all, copy for those who has got question number 21 as a doubt. Then 28. Copied? Okay, so let's move on to 28. It is saying that in which of the following pairs oxidation number of Fe is same. Guys, you have to just calculate the oxidation number and just check out. First of all, let's check the option number A. K3 Fe Cn whole 6. And here we have got Fe2O3. So check out Fe. X plus 3 minus 6 equal to 0. X will be equal to 3. Here it is 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So x will be equals to 3. Guys, even in the first option we have got the right answer. Okay. So option A should be the right answer. Here, in both the compounds, Fe will have the +3 oxidation state. Okay. Number 30. The sum of the oxidation states of sulfur. Guys, if you have remember that I have discussed this question even with you, if you remember that, I have told you to solve this question on the basis of the structure, and on solving, first of all, let me draw the structure of this one. This is the structure. See, this one should be plus 6 and this one should also be what? Plus 6. They are asking for the sum of the oxidation states. So guys, on sum of these two oxidation states, you will get the plus 12 as the answer. Copy please. So option number, is there any option? Yeah, 4 should be the right answer. Next please. Up to 40, any other doubt? Up to 40, any other doubt? Shillong and Tamelong, guys, please can I have one person on the system? Is there any other doubt? Up to question number 40. Okay, then 41 to wait. No, option 4 is the right answer. Plus 12 will be the answer. Please cross check it once. For the question number 30, answer is 12. You can check it in the answer keys. Check out the answer key. 52. In the question number 52, the question is, in which of the following H2O2 acts as a reducing agent? Guys, for these kind of question, you have to just determine the oxidation states and check of which of the following species is getting oxidized and the reduced. Okay, you have to check option wise. So, number 52. See, if I pick this equation, twice of HCl plus O2. Okay. You can calculate the oxidation state of the Cl, 0 here, and here it is -1. So as oxidation number is decreasing, so it is reduction. Here you can check out for the oxygen. This one should be your -1 and this one is 0. Here, increase in oxidation number, which means oxidation. We know that in the process of oxidation, the species which is involved is known as what? Reducing agent. Okay. So this is the correct option. Guys, in these kind of questions, we have to go option wise. Okay. My dear student, +6 and +6 is actually 12. Okay, it's okay. Any other doubt? In first 60 questions, any other doubt? If in the question they ask you for the oxidation number, then answer would be 6. But they have asked you the sum of the oxidation states. In first 60 questions, any other doubt? Guys, see, I have told you that I need one person on the system, so can you please do that? I'm asking repeatedly, is there any doubt, any doubt? If you don't want to clear your doubts, it's okay. I'll stop it right now, and I'll start with my chapter. Those who has got doubts, they can ask me on the WhatsApp. "58" is the question. A compound contains atom A, B, and C. Oxidation number of A is +2, B is +5, C is -2. Formula of the compound. I have told you that that net positive charge should be equal to net negative charge. So how we can achieve that? How we can achieve that? That total positive charge should be equal to total negative charge. According to the given formulas, if I multiply it with the 2, we won't get the right answer. 5 2s are 10, and then no. If I multiply it with the 3, this is 2 and this is 8. So this is your 6, 10, -16. So guys, option C should be the right answer. A3, B, C4 whole twice. Ultimately, you will get this answer. This is the answer. Okay. 61. Please copy those who has got the 58 as a doubt. Then 65, 61, 66. 1 second. '60 as well. Okay. So let's move on to question number 60. N2 is converting into NH3. Oxidation state is 0. You have to calculate the equivalent weight. Here it is -3. First of all, calculate the N factor. Guys, I have told you to calculate the N factor, we have to subtract bigger number. Sorry, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Here, bigger number is 0 and this is -3. So answer will be what? 3. But the point is, here there are 2 nitrogens. Therefore, I have to multiply it with the 2. So N factor would be 6. Now equivalent weight. 28 is the molecular weight upon N factor. So 28 by 6. Is there any option? Yeah, option A is the right answer. Clear? Number 60. Guys, remember that the questions which I am solving for you, if even after solving it is not clear to you, you can please ask me that, sir, this solution is not clear to me, so I'll explain it again. Okay? Please do not copy that solution only. You have to understand the concept. Okay? Remember, concept of one question will teach you a lot. Okay? So please make sure that you are at least clear with each and every concept. Number 61. We have given with the equation S2O32 minus plus I2 is giving S4O6 minus 2 plus twice of I minus. Okay. First of all, calculate the oxidation number. It should be plus 4. Not plus 4, plus 2. 6 2s are 12. It should be 2.5. Okay. So calculate the n factor. N factor would be 2.5 minus 2 into 2. This one should be 1. So molecular weight of Na2S2 is m. Then equivalent weight will be what? M by 1. 61. Okay. Number 65. Please copy the student who has got doubt in question number 61, then 65. Copied? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's move on. Number 65. They are saying this is A N2 plus X electrons is giving you minus of N1. Okay. They are asking what should be the value of X. Ultimately, guys, 59 in place of 16, no. Okay, it's okay. You can change it. This is 60, oh, okay, this is 59 actually. I'll solve 60 as well on the basis of this one. What you have to do, n factor will be changed. Wait, first of all tell me, first of all, let me solve the question number 61. NH3. 0 minus 3, here n factor of ammonia. This is what? 0 minus 3. Minus will become plus, okay. So the equivalent weight will be what? Molecular weight of ammonia, which is 17 upon 3. So option number 4 should be the right answer. Now is it clear? Question number 60. Now is it clear? Question number 60. Okay, copy please. Now, in the question number 65, guys, ultimately we know that the total charge on the left hand side should be equal to total charge on the right hand side. Okay. So, what value can we put for the X so that the total charge will become equal? I'm taking an example. Look at this. 61. Okay, first of all, please let me clear this 65, then I'll explain the 61 again. Okay. Okay, so guys, what we have to do? We have to put a value of x by which the total charge on the left hand side will become equal to total charge on the right hand side. Okay. So, what can be that value? What can be that value? Ultimately, this is an n factor. I have told you that n factor is nothing else which is the change in electron, means how many electrons are either losing or gaining by the n species. If there is any species over there in the chemical reaction, so n factor is actually the charge, which is the electron over there. Remember guys, the charge that we have calculated that represents the electrons. If you remember that I have explained it when I start the n factor of the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. If you remember that particular statement over there or that particular example over there. So guys, please anyone can tell me how can I calculate the n factor over there in this question? How can I calculate the n factor? Anyone? I think you can do this one very easily. Ultimately, you have to make LHS equals to RHS. If I say this one is minus N2 minus of N1, can I put it like this? And I can say N1 minus N2. Is this statement clear to you? Or do I need to take another example? I have just calculated the n factor, nothing else. Okay. See, look at this one. This is a power minus 3. A to the power minus 3 plus x electron is giving you a to the power, let's say suppose minus 2. Please tell me, or we can say this is minus 4. What value of x you can put so that LHS will become equal to RHS? What should be the value of x so that LHS will become the RHS? Can you please tell me? I have simplified that equation. I am putting the charges over there. Guys, obviously we'll put the 1 over there now. And how can you get the 1? How can you get the 1? No, minus 1. Electron means already a negative charge. Electron means what? Negative charge. I have to just put this one. Now this one will become like it, or this one will become like this. A minus 3, electron, a minus 4. Now my question is, how you can get the 1 over there? How can you get the 1 over there? Can I write it, this one in this manner? Minus 3 minus minus 4 is equals to plus 1. See, this is your N2, this is your N1. Now is it clear? Or you need still some more clarification? Okay. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Put it -3 plus x electron and put it -5. I'm sure that if I put, see, electron means already negative charge. If I put x equal to 2, so it will become -2. Sorry, it means become that it will become 2 times of the charge on electron. A -3 will give you what? A -5. Now, obviously, LHS becomes equal to what? RHS. Now, my question is, how can I get x as x as equals to 2? How can I get that? Assume this is your N2, which is given to you in the question, and this is your N1. Okay, I have to get x equal to 2. How can I get that? If I subtract -5 from -3, this is -3 plus 5, and this will comes out to be what? 2. See, this is your N2 and this is your N1. Now clear? The student who has got doubt in this one, is it clear to you now? Shillong? Yeah, oh, I'm doing that. Question number 61. S2O3 2 minus is giving you S4O6 2 minus. First of all, calculate the oxidation state of the sulfur. If you calculate the oxidation state of sulfur, here it is +2, where in this compound it will be +2.5. Calculate the N factor. 2.5 minus 2 into 2. So this is what? 0.5 into 2, which is equals to what? 1. Now we have to calculate the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is what? Molecular weight upon my N factor. So we have to calculate the equivalent weight of the Na2S2O3. Okay. This is your what? Na2S2O3. Its molecular weight is M. N factor is 1. So equivalent weight will comes out to what? M by 1. Now fine. Now is it clear to you? Okay, good. The student who has got doubt in 65, dear, is it clear to you? Okay, cool. And what was the next question after 65? Next question, please. Up to question number 80. Next question. Tamelong, guys, have you attempted the sheet? 69. What will be n factor of for this one in acidic medium? Okay, let's check it. Ba MnO4 whole twice in acidic medium. Don't copy this. Wait for some time. Is there any option? Yeah. Guys, first of all, make this one clear. In the question, they are saying that, or this compound behaves as an oxidant. It means that in this question, the Mn will be in its highest oxidation state. That can be achieved when it will be present in +7 oxidation state. It means that the highest oxidation state of Mn can be +7. You have to remember, in the acidic medium, Mn always converts into Mn2+. Okay. So if I talk about the change in oxidation state, the oxidation number, so it should be 7 - 2. This is whole twice. It means there are 2 atoms of the Mn. That's why I have multiplied it with the 2. Therefore, the total n factor will comes out to be +10. Clear? The question number was 69. 67. Equivalent weight of this one as reductant in the reaction. First of all, tell me, is question number 67 clear to you? The student who has got doubt? Yes, sure. Copy. Okay, 1 second. Copied? Okay. Number 67. Equation is S2O3 2 minus plus H2O plus Cl2 is giving you Na2SO4. So I can write it Na2SO4 as a SO4 2 minus. Guys, I'm writing the ionic equation. Okay. Please don't be confused. I have just removed the alkali metals and I have put the charge in spite of those alkali metals. 67 plus twice of HCl plus sulfur. Okay, so I need sulfur first. Sulfur plus. Guys, first of all, in the question, they are saying that Na2S2O3 is used as a reductant. Reductant means where it can behave as a reducing agent. Okay, reductant means where it can behave as a reducing agent. So first of all, we have to identify in which compound it can behave as a reducing agent, whether in the case of SO4 minus or in the sulfur only. So let's calculate the oxidation state first. It should be +2, +6 and 0. Guys, you have to tell me in which case S2O3 means it is going in two compounds. First in this one and second in this one. In which compound it will behave as a reducing agent? When it goes from S2O3 2 minus to SO4 2 minus or S2O3 2 minus to sulfur, where it can behave as a reducing agent. In which case it can behave as a reducing agent? Confirm it. Okay. You can simply write sulfur or SO4 2 minus. I'll understand. Or this is process number 1, this process number 2. In which process? It will behave as a reductant, reducing agent. Guys, check out in which process oxidation is there and in which process reduction is over there. How much time do you need to answer this one? Tamelong, Shillong. Okay, first is oxidation. So we know that in the process where oxidation occurs, the species involved behaves as a reducing agent. Okay, so in the process number 1, it will behave as a reducing agent. So I will calculate n factor on the basis of the equation number 1. Now I'll write it in this manner. S2O3 2 minus is giving you SO4 2 minus +2 +6. Just calculate the n factor. 6 minus 2 into 2, which is 8. So equivalent weight will be m upon 8. Clear? Is it clear? The student who has got the doubt. Next question, please. 77. Please copy this quickly. Okay, so let's move on to question number 77. Number of moles of KMnO4 reduced by 1 mole of Ki in alkaline medium. So we have to just put equivalent of KMnO4 is equals to equivalent weight of, number of equivalent of Ki. This is your moles into n factor. Again, moles into n factor. N representing the moles. Okay. Can please anyone tell me what is the n factor of KMnO4 in the basic medium? Can anyone please confirm me what is the N factor of KMnO4 in the basic medium? I have told you to remember a number. What was that? N factor of KMnO4 in the basic medium. No. Did you remember? BAN 153. Is there anyone who remembered this one? Guys, if you won't remember these terms, then question will become difficult for you. So in the basic medium, N factor is 1. Number of moles we have to calculate. Number of moles of Ki is given to us is 1. And in the alkaline medium, when Ki is reduced, its N factor is 2. You have to remember this one. Its N factor is 2. So answer should be N equals to 2. Guys, you can remember these terms that Ki when reduced, its N factor will be 2. You can remember these numbers, okay? Like there are some important compounds, for example, H2O2, you have to remember its N factor. Ki, you have to remember its N factor. Oxalate, you have to remember its N factor. You have to remember N factor of the K2Cr2O7. Other than that, KMnO4 in all the mediums. In the examination, you will find out these compounds. Next question, please. Next question. Any other question? Over? Shillong, Itanagar, Tamelong. I am repeating once. That is there any other question? 76. Ferrous oxalate. Ferrous oxalate is FeC2O4. It converts into Fe3 plus CO2. Okay, you can remember this one as well, that its N factor is 3. Ferrous oxalate. This is another compound that you can remember. Its N factor is 3. Okay. Now, again, equivalents of KMnO4 will be equal to equivalent of FeC2O4. Moles into N factor. Acidic medium, it got 5. Moles into N factor. Answer should be 3 by 5. Copy, please. Guys, these are important compounds: KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, oxalate, ferrous oxalate, H2O2, KMnO4. You have to remember n factor of these compounds. You can make a list of these compounds. Copy please quickly. Okay, so let's move on to next question, which is 87. How many electrons should X2H2 liberate so that the new compound X shows oxidation number of minus half X2H4 is giving you X. The oxidation number of X is given to us as minus 1/2. So if I calculate this one, 2x plus 4 equal to 0, X will be equals to minus 2, and factor. If I calculate the n factor, minus 1/2 plus 2, 2 2s are 4, two 2s are 4, 3/2 into 2, 3. Okay, got it? Tamerlan, is this clear to you? N factor is nothing else what? Number of electrons. Copy please. Okay. Any other doubt? Should I wind up the doubt session? '86, 97, 98. Wait. 86. 1 mole of iron when oxidized to +2 oxidation state gives up. Iron is going into Fe2+. It will lose 2 electron. So these are actually what? 2 mole electron. Okay, these are what? Actually 2 mole electron, and we know that mole can be represented by the Avogadro number. So 86 should have option B. Clear? Next question. Copy please. 97. CrO4 2 minus is giving you CrO2 minus plus OH minus. half cell reaction. If I calculate the oxidation number of this one, which is plus 3 minus 2, this is your plus 6. Okay. Guys, if you look at this question, see, this is actually your disproportionation reaction. This is your disproportionation reaction over here. 1 second, plus 6 to plus 3, no, not a disproportionation reaction. Okay. Yeah, not a disproportionation reaction. So we can't solve this one by that method. CrO4 2 minus is giving you CrO2 minus plus OH minus. You have to guys simply use the hidden trial method to solve this equation. You can go option wise. I would suggest in case of balancing, where question of balancing comes to you, there are two methods. First, which I have discussed with you, and the second one is go option wise. Okay, because this is the only way to solve these kind of questions. No need to waste your time, okay, by solving or balancing these kind of reactions. You can go option wise and you can have your answer. Okay, so guys, you can check out your options, okay, and check which option suits the better, the best among the four. That will be your answer. Okay, so I hope so you can do this one. You have to go option wise, guys. You have to go option wise for solving the questions based on the balancing. Next, the same thing, 98. See, in the 98, if you have remember the equation that is best for you, if you not, then again go option wise. This is Cr3 plus A BH2O. Okay, like I remember that this should be 7, this should be 2, this should be your 6, and this should be your 14. You can check out which option, in which option these numbers are present over there, and that will be your answer, and X will be 1. Please guys go option wise, no other choices for this one. Then 107. In the balanced equation, first of all, make sure that the equation is balanced. I don't think so that equation is balanced over there. First of all, balance that equation. Number 107. This is a simple equation to balance. H plus C2O4 2 minus Mn2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Guys, in this particular question, see, you can use that method that I have discussed with you. See, calculate its n factor, which should be 5, and its n factor should be 2. So just cross multiply. This is 2, this is 5, and rest you can balance. 10, 2, other than that, count oxygen. 5 4s are 20, 28, 4, this is 8. you can have your answer. Whenever half cells are given to you, okay, whenever half cells are given to you, or you can use the method, use the trick that I have discussed with you, okay. Other than that, you can opt for the options. Whenever in the question of the balancing, options are given to you, please go through the options, okay. One more question. Please copy this first, then 102. Can you please, anyone tell me in the question number 102, which one will be the reductant in 102? Again, this is the question based on the balancing. 102, twice of KMnO4 plus 5H2S plus 6H plus is giving you twice of Mn2 plus 8K plus 5 sulfur plus 8H2O. In the above equation, how many electrons would be involved in the oxidation of 1 mole of reductant? Can first of all, you please clear me which one will be the reductant in this one? Either KMnO4 or the H2S. Identify the reductant. Reducing agent. Guys, I'm telling you one thing that KMnO4 is a very strong oxidizing agent. So it will oxidize the species which is present in front of this compound. No. Reducing agent would be the H2S. In case of the KMnO4 and the K2Cr2O7, they oxidizes others. Ultimately, they behaves as oxidizing agent, whereas the second species behaves as a reducing agent. Okay. So here, the reducing agent will be what? H2S. So we have to target this one. Now, how many moles of electron would be involved in the oxidation of 1 mole of reductant? First of all, you can calculate the N factor for this one. -2, 0. N factor would be 0 minus -2, which is +2. Okay. Now, if I talk about this one, see, okay, so option A should be the right answer. Any confusion or doubt? Please don't be confused with that sir 5 moles are given over there. Remember, 5 moles are given in the left hand side, so 5 moles are given on the right hand side as well. Okay, so they will balance out ultimately that 5 sulfur, when you talk about the 5 sulfur, then 5 sulfur are behaving as a reducing agent, and they will be, after reducing, they will be converted into 5 sulfurs as well. Okay, so ultimately this is the balanced equation. It is like ki 5x is equals to what? 5y. So I can say that x is equals to what? Y. Okay. If in the left hand side it is written like that, 5x is equals to 4y, and I'm asking the value of x, value of x, then you will say what? If I say the 1 mole of the x, you will say what? 4 by 5y. Okay. Is it clear to you? Question number 102. Shillong. I'm saying this one. Both has got the 5 moles. That's why answer will be 2. Is it clear to you, Shillong? Okay, what's the confusion? Okay, just look at the H2S. Look at this. -2, 0, n factor, calculate n factor. It will be 2. Any doubt? Any doubt? I'm asking that, is it clear? The equation which I have written for you. Okay. Now relate this one. Relate this one. I'm saying x is converting into y. Okay. Now if I say x is equals to y, if I put any number with x, and if I put the equal number, exactly same number on the right hand side, can I say this is true? X is equals to y? Can I say that? Hey guys, can I say that? Yes or no? Shillong. Okay. Relate this one with this one. I'm writing 1 mole on the left hand side and 1 mole on the right hand side. If I say 5 moles on the left hand side and if I say 5 moles on the right hand side, what will be net change in the value of the sulfur? I mean in the number of atoms of the sulfur. What will be the net change? Is there any change? Guys, if left hand side and on the right hand side number of moles are equal, then n factor for the 1 mole will always be the same. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Yeah, sure. Can please you tell me that, is there anyone who has got any doubt? Is this question clear to you? 102? Or you still need some more clarification on this one? Do I need to use the unitary method as well to solve that question? Okay. So guys, I hope so we have cleared all the doubts of the redox reactions. Now the next stage is you have to attempt the questions which have been asked in the previous year's NEET and the AIMS examinations. Okay. And one more thing. It's really nice to see you that you're making the good efforts. And please make sure that ki before the examination clear your doubts with me, all the doubts with me, and बस एग्जाम में मेरा नाम मत खराब करना वहां पे, ठीक है? एवरीवन, आर यू गेटिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट? मेरा नाम नहीं खराब करना वहां पे. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. Is everyone getting this? Shillong, Tamelong. Okay. क्या वो शिलोंग आप लोग मेरा नाम खराब करने वाले हो क्या? Nobody is responding. Is this yes for yes नाम खराब करने वाले हैं for that one कि नहीं करने वाले हो? That's good. Okay. Shillong is still is in confusion. Shillong, I need confirmation from you. That was not a question, that was just a statement that कि please exam में मेरा नाम मत खराब करना means that make your efforts, okay, in the examinations, and before the examination I am available to you for your queries, for your doubts, okay, for your problems. Okay, so guys, let's take a quick break of 5 minutes. Okay, after that we'll start with a chapter. Okay, see you in the after the break. So guys, are you back? Is your break over? Some are having their break first, I guess so. Okay, you can carry on along with the studies. It's okay. Okay. Can please anyone tell me the topic that we were discussing in the previous class? And guys, again, if still anybody has any other doubt, they can ask me on the WhatsApp, okay? But officially, redox reactions has been covered along with your doubts, and or please remind me one thing: if I do not share the structure of atom, the sheet of the structure of atom with you, okay, by today evening. Please remind me once if you don't get the sheet, okay? Okay, shapes has covered. Cool. Shillong is saying quantum numbers. Now you confused me. Do I have covered the shapes? And can you please tell me what is the current attendance at every center? Current attendance at every center. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Cool. Shillong, what's your current attendance? Current attendance. Filling of atomic orbitals. This is the next topic. Oh guys, so while filling the atomic orbitals, there are certain rules that we have to follow directly. Okay, I'll explain those rules one by one. So the first one is your Aufbau's principle. First of all, you can copy this with me, and after that I'll explain. Okay. It states that in the ground state of atom, orbitals are filled in the order of increasing energies. Means the atomic orbital which has the lower energy will be filled first, and the orbital which has the higher energy will be filled later on. Okay, copy this and confirm once. Copied? Okay, let's move on. First of all, guys, look at this chart, and after that, I'll give you time to copy this. Please do not copy along with me. Just look at this. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, and then 7s. 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, and then 7p. 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 4f, 5f. You have to copy this as it is in the same manner that I have drawn. First of all, copy this. Copy this first. And confirm me after copying that. Copied. The student at the first bench on my right hand side, have you copied that? Okay. Guys, please make your notes neat and clean. Notes are very, very helpful for you. Okay, guys, so let's start. See, first of all, you have to remember few atomic orbitals. Like, first of all, we have got 1s. See how we can write this. 1s, and over here, then we will get back, we will have 2s. After that, we will again get back, then we will have 2p, 3s. After that, we will have 3p, 3p, 4s. After that, we will have 3d, 4p, 5s. Again, get back to the last one. You will have the 4d, 5p, 6s. Then 4f, 5d, 6p, and so on. This is the order, okay, which was explained by the Aufbau, that first of all we will fill the 1s orbital, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, and so on. Okay. Now the question is, how do we have decided that this is the order of atomic orbitals in the increasing energies? Okay. That we have to confirm that 1s has the lowest energy, after that 2s has the higher energy as compared to the 1s, 2p will have the more higher energy as compared to 1s and 2s, and so on. Okay. So first of all, copy this one, and then we will learn that how we can compare the atomic orbitals in terms of energies. Copy please. Copy this one. Done? So guys, let's move on. Okay. Copy. Okay. N plus L rule. Guys, you have to just look at your screen. Okay. Please do not copy this. First of all, understand this one, and after that I'll give you time to copy this. Orbital N, L, N plus L. You have to remember one thing, that higher is the value of N plus L, higher will be the energy. Remember this one. Higher is value of N plus L, higher will be energy. Energy. Okay, now look at this. 1s. Guys, first of all, make this one clear that the numbers, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on represents the value of n in the atomic orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4 means before the alphabets the number represents the value of n, whereas this is your s subshell. So we know that the value of L for the S subshell is 0. Do you remember that the designation of S is 0? So that is mathematical 0. Now, if I calculate N plus L, it will comes out to be 1. If I talk about 2S, N should be 2, L will be 0. It should be what? 2. Now you can compare 1S and 2S. That 2S has got the higher value of N plus L. That's why 2S has the higher energy as I compared 2s with the 1s. Now let's move on to the 2p. Value of n will be 2. Value of L for p is 1. This one will be 3. Now you can look at this. Now you can compare 1s, 2s and 2p. That 2p has got the value of n plus L as a 3. That's why 2p has the higher energy as I compared 2p with the 1s and 2s. Now let's compare 3s. 3, 0 and 3. Now there is a problem that they both have got the same value of n plus L. Okay, they both have got the same value of n plus L. So guys, whenever the value of n plus L is same, in that case the n decides will have which one will have the higher energy. Okay, so you have to make note of this one. When N plus L is same, then higher the value of N, means the atomic orbital with higher value of N will have higher energy. Okay, whenever you get the same N plus L value, you will check the N. Now you can look at this. Here the value of N is 3 and here it is 2. We can see that value of N is higher in case of 3s, sorry. That's why the 3s has the higher energy. 3s has the higher energy as I compared 3s with the 2p. Okay, so this is how you can compare the energies of the different atomic orbitals. Please copy this and confirm me once. Is it clear to you? Anyone has got any doubt or confusion in this one? Shillong can raise their hand. Okay. Please copy this. Oh, the student at the center. Copy this one as well. Copy this. Guys, remember, I'm gonna check your notes, your class notes. So please make sure I can check your notes at any time. Okay. So please make sure that everyone has neat and clean proper notes, your class notes. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm giving you a few questions. You have to compare the energies. Compare the energies of the following atomic orbital. First is 3d, 4s. Number 2, 6s, 3d. Number 3, 4f, 6d, 4. (4d), 6s. Copy, please. The student on the left, my left hand side on first bench, is talking to other student in the Shillong Center. solve this question and tell me the answers. Quickly, guys, I need your answers. Done? Okay, let's start. As I have got your confirmation. Now, here 3D will be the answer. 325. 6s will be the answer. 437, 628. 6D will be the answer. 426, 6s will be the answer. How many of you has got all 4 correct answer? Okay. Everyone has raised their hand. Very good. Very good. And can you please tell me why some student, or not some, why one student has put their hand on ears? Okay, that's good. Okay, so guys, depending on the current situation, just leave that statement. That was any random statement. Okay, that was MI. Means, okay, so do we get 6S on question number 4? Let me check. Yeah. I have written 6S over there. 1 second. You can calculate the n plus L. So n plus L will be 4 plus 2, which is 6, and it is also 6. So obviously, we cannot decide on the basis of n plus L. That's why we will decide on the basis of n. So here, this one has got the higher n. That's why 6s is the answer. Clear? Okay, cool. Okay, so guys, depending on the situation, okay, situation as in now, I think so it's time to take some lunch. I think this for you. So guys, that's all about for today's session, and all the best for your exam. That is for tomorrow. Okay. So till then, guys, take care. Bye bye. Have a great time. And if you have got any confusion or doubt, you can ask me at any time. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.